Alright everybody, I hope you can see this without my flash on. Not much light here in this hallway. But I wanted to show you the map. And everybody that's representing. I appreciate this. This is so cool. So, I want to know what's up, USA. Louisiana, Mississippi, you don't like me? You don't want to subscribe to me? You don't want to win anything? Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, what's up? I don't know. No nail art here. Is that what the deal is? No nail art here. I feel sad for you and your sad playing nails. All right, all over Canada. I knew I had quite a few in Canada. I've got some in Trinidad, Panama, quite a few in Mexico, and I wasn't quite sure. There's not very many towns on here, so I just scratched off some of Mexico. It's close to us, that we love. What else I got? Virgin Islands. I hope I didn't miss anybody over here. Everybody got a number. I know I didn't miss anybody giving someone a number in the comments of the water marble video. Pretty much all of the UK love me, and I love you guys so much. And Ireland and Scotland and all up in Germany and some Sweden's, Lithuania, yes, Norway, France, Spain. Knew I had a lot over here in Europe. I've got a few that I think the one lady lived in India, southern India, and then she moved to the Caribbean islands, and then she was up in Sweden and Ireland. So I marked everybody, everywhere she lived, any place that you put. I've got some in the Philippines. That's fantastic. Australia. I know I have more people in Australia, but I only had one comment, so I know I got more love there in Australia, and I love you guys. So here we go. I was Snapchatting with my friend Ginger, Ginger Sparks, and I'm like, I gotta figure out a way to do this giveaway, to do the drawing. I gave everyone numbers, and she didn't enter, so I just told her, hey, pick a number between 1 and 109, and so she Snapchatted me the number she guessed. So I just love this. It's so cool. Now I gotta visit all these places that are marked. Anyway, here's her Snapchat. And number 82, whoever you are, I don't know at this point, just either instant message me on Instagram or Facebook, or do not message me on YouTube, because their messaging, it sometimes takes over a month. I've had it take 2 months before I got a notification. So don't do it on YouTube, or email me at guyleen325@hotmail. It's listed down below. All my links to Facebook, Instagram are listed in the description box. Number 82, whoever you are, you have, let's see, this is Wednesday. You have until Saturday to notify me, or I'm picking somebody else. So your number is 82, and it is in the water marble comment section. You will find where you commented, and I commented back a number, and that's the winner. Well, little Princess Penelope has decided she likes to be back here in the corner of the dining room, next to the pantry, where I have stacked the paper towels and all the stuff that I've been buying for the baby clothes. Look at the cute little baby clothes. What you doing, Princess? Is her sleeping? She's out.